Does your home resemble a tumbleweed graveyard of pet hair? Do you spend more time wrestling with your vacuum cleaner than actually cleaning? The Kenmore DU5092 Bagless upright vacuum might be the secret weapon you've been searching for. This innovative machine boasts a unique hair eliminator feature, powerful suction, and a versatile design, making it a strong contender for busy homes and pet owners alike. Let's delve deeper into the features, performance, and overall value of the DU5092 to see if it's the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. Conquer pet hair with the Hair Eliminator Brushroll. This is where the DU5092 truly shines. Traditional vacuum cleaners can become clogged with pet hair, hindering performance and requiring frequent cleaning of the brushroll. The DU5092 tackles this problem head-on with its innovative Hair Eliminator Brushroll. This ingenious feature automatically removes hair from the brushroll as you vacuum, preventing it from tangling and ensuring optimal cleaning performance. This is a game-changer for pet owners who constantly battle fur tumbleweeds and clogged brushrolls. Lift-up technology, transforming from upright to above-floor master. Similar to the DU5080, the DU5092 boasts a lift-up design. With a simple press of a button, the canister detaches from the main body, transforming into a lightweight and maneuverable pod. This is perfect for tackling stairs, furniture upholstery, curtains, and other above-floor surfaces that can be cumbersome with a full-sized upright vacuum. This versatility makes it ideal for cleaning multi-level homes or those with a mix of carpets and hard floors. HEPA filtration for cleaner air. If allergies or pet dander are a concern, the DU5092's HEPA filtration system offers a breath of fresh air literally. This advanced filtration system captures a staggering 99–97% of dust, dirt, and allergens inside the vacuum, preventing them from recirculating back into the air you breathe. This is particularly beneficial for pet owners, allergy sufferers, and anyone who desires a cleaner and healthier home environment. Lightweight maneuverability and extended reach, weighing in at under 14 pounds. The DU5092 prioritizes user-friendliness. This lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture, navigate stairs especially in the handheld mode, and clean those hard-to-reach corners and crevices. The swivel steering further enhances this ease of use, allowing you to effortlessly clean around obstacles without straining your back. Additionally, a 10-foot flexible hose extends your cleaning reach for above-floor areas and tight spaces. A toolbox for every task, the DU5092 comes equipped with a 3-in-1 combination tool that offers cleaning versatility. Crevice tool, designed for reaching tight spaces like corners, baseboards, and between couch cushions. Dusting brush, perfect for dusting furniture, shelves, and blinds. Upholstery tool, specifically designed to remove pet hair and dirt from furniture upholstery. Convenience features for effortless cleaning. The DU5092 prioritizes user-friendliness with several features that streamline your cleaning routine. The bagless design eliminates the need to constantly purchase and replace vacuum bags, saving you money and time. The transparent dust cup allows you to easily see when it needs emptying, minimizing interruptions during cleaning. Additionally, the lift-up design allows for easy storage of the handheld pod, keeping everything organized and readily accessible. Is the Kenmore DU5092 Bagless upright vacuum right for you? This vacuum is a great choice for anyone looking for a versatile, lightweight, and user-friendly cleaning solution, particularly those with pets. The Hair Eliminator Brushroll and powerful suction effectively tackle pet hair on carpets, furniture, and upholstery. Multi-surface homes transitions seamlessly between carpets, hard floors, stairs, and above-floor cleaning. Busy families, quick and efficient cleaning with convenient features makes cleaning less of a chore. What to consider before you buy? While the DU5092 is a great all-rounder, it might not be ideal for everyone. Here are some things to consider. Deep carpet cleaning. For homes with extremely thick carpets, a more powerful upright vacuum might be necessary. Noise level. While not the loudest vacuum on the market, some users might find the noise level a bit high. Overall, the Kenmore DU5092 Bagless upright vacuum is a strong contender for busy households and pet owners alike. Its innovative Hair Eliminator Brushroll tackles pet hair with ease, while the lift-up technology offers superior versatility for cleaning various surfaces. The HEPA filtration system ensures cleaner air, and the lightweight design with extended reach makes cleaning a more comfortable experience. While it might not be the most powerful machine on the market for extremely thick carpets, the DU5092 offers excellent value for its price and is a great option for those seeking a user-friendly and efficient cleaning solution. For those constantly battling pet hair and dust bunnies, the DU5092 might just be the secret weapon you've been searching for. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.